Market research involves gathering and analyzing information about your target market, competitors, and industry trends to make informed business decisions. Here's a concise guide. Define objectives. Clearly outline your research goals, such as understanding customer preferences or evaluating market potential. Identify target audience. Define your ideal customers based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Data collection. Gather data through surveys, interviews, focus groups, online analytics, and social media monitoring. Competitor analysis. Study your competitors' products, pricing, marketing strategies, and strengths and weaknesses. Trends and insights. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and consumer behavior shifts. SWOT analysis. Assess your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in relation to the market. Quantitative and qualitative data. Collect both numerical data and deeper insights to get a holistic view. Data analysis. Interpret the collected data to identify patterns, correlations, and insights. Segmentation. Divide your target market into segments based on shared characteristics for more focused strategies. Market size and potential. Estimate the size of your market and assess its growth potential. Risk assessment. Identify potential risks and challenges that could impact your business's success. Consumer behavior. Understand how and why consumers make purchasing decisions related to your product or service. Decision making. Utilize the gathered insights to make informed decisions about product development, pricing, marketing, and expansion. Adaptation. Regularly update your research to stay aligned with evolving market dynamics.